Welcome to Detail Co Garage. This is going to be the series where you're just hanging out with me in the garage. I'm going to give you them tips and tricks of making your garage, just more efficient, fun, and enjoyable. Doesn't matter really what kind of garage you got, but of course mine is focused on car detailing. I've owned a car detailing business for going on about 7 years now, and we're about 2 years into the House of Rags. So this is going to be a fun little series. Sometimes we're detailing, and other times we're just hanging out. So let's check it out. On this episode of Detail Co Garage, I'm going to go over 3 things that I've upgraded in my garage over the past couple years that has just been phenomenal, whether it's from efficiency or whether just an overall more enjoyable experience in the garage. Because if you're not having fun and enjoying your garage, then why are you going to get out there and enjoy it? So you got to make it a pleasant place to be. And these are 3 things that I've done that make me come out to the garage and it be a no-brainer. I can immediately start detailing. I can immediately start doing what I love to do. Or overall, when it's nice outside, unlike today, it is summertime. It is pretty miserable out here, no matter what it looks like. But in general, I do like to just be in the garage. It's a nice working environment, I'd say. So let's check out my top 3. A big upgrade has been wall mounting things. 1, the pressure washer, but 2, my vacuum cleaner as well. I've got a pro level vacuum. Now, it doesn't matter what your vacuum is. If you can figure out some way to wall mount it or buy one that is wall mountable and figure out how to wall mount your pressure washer, it just increases the enjoyability of just standard cleaning and taking care of your car. Because if these things are ready to go at all times, that makes it a whole lot easier to get out here, flip a switch, and you're going to wash it immediately, or flip a switch, maybe you get back from a road trip and immediately vacuum the car out. It just makes it that much more easier to get that job done and more efficient, that it's always ready to go at all times. So I have a very DIY friendly wall mount here. It's just a big plywood in the back, and then a hose reel, pressure washer, a few foam cannon mounts, and I just figured out how to make them stick to that wall. Just figure out how to screw and bolt everything on there, and boom, a nice little DIY project turns into a good looking hose mount solution, and your pressure washer is ready to go at all times. Also, shout out to the wall mounted paper towel holder, one of my new favorite upgrades in the studio. Especially as a content creator, my hands are always wet with soap and water, so this thing I'm pretty happy about. So there's definitely going to be a trend in this one where it involves hanging things on the wall. It just makes things a whole lot easier, whether it's paper towel holders, throw that away, whether it's pressure washers, vacuum cleaners. Anytime you don't have to go to the shed or open a cabinet and dig everything out and then hook up, and it's just everything's ready to go, it just makes it that much easier. Next is I got wall mounted mounts for bottles and polishers and even my pads, all on the wall, all ready to go. Some of my favorite chemicals that I've been using lately in detailing are ready at arm's reach. I don't have to go dig through the cabinet. If it's out of sight, it's out of mind. Sometimes I forget I have a couple chemicals. I have so many chemicals. So having what I want to use at least this week, I'll hang it up over there for this week's details, and they're ready to go to arm's reach, and having the polishers ready to go and all charged up as well. Got my charging station all worked out on the pegboard. Like I said, having everything just ready to go makes that garage a much more enjoyable place to be. It just makes it that much more efficient. So you're having fun, you're efficient, and you're getting straight to work. Can't beat that. And we're gonna jump into immediately number 3 thing that I did to my garage and upgrade it to make it a more just a warming environment is the nice white paint. Suggestion from Ivan LaCroix in my first garage audit that he came down, he said, paint everything white. It helps with the refraction of the light, throw it back, and just keep it a lot brighter place. I painted that wall black. I painted half my studio black, planning to do the whole thing. About the time I got halfway, I noticed the void of light on that side. It definitely darkens things up. Painting the walls white makes it brighter, means I don't have to have the fanciest light in the world, and it helps it out. But even if you do have some good lighting, painting the walls white is gonna help you out even more, brighten up that studio. Especially if you're trying to film content like I am, it's gonna help you out with just overall lighting. Makes everything look better, everything pop. before and after pictures. Better lighting is key, and those white walls definitely helped me out a lot. There you go, folks. That's this week's episode of Detail Co Garage. This is kind of like the pilot episode, so we're testing the water, see if you like it. YouTube's liking shows these days, so this is season 1, episode 1. Let me know if you think you're gonna like this series, and if you want to see more of it, we'll do some more of it. Like I said, it's gonna be fun. And it's all about just general garage life and me continuously working on the garage. Because as you can see, it's already changed from probably the last time you've seen it. I'm always in here, always piddling, always working on something. But anyway, I want to end with a product of the week. This week is Luminous Mint from Luminous Car Care. It's on sale, 25% off at houserags.com to the end of August. And you can get a whole gallon for $41.25. You're not going to beat that kind of value. 1 ounce in the foam can gives you luxurious foam. So that's my product of the week this week on the Detail Co Garage. Probably should have been a Detail Co product, but you know, starting off strong here with some of that mint car shampoo. You're not going to beat that big savings. So go save now. Thehouseofrags.com, mint, luminous, all month long, ablaze in August. And we also got 20% off other brands as well as the road to TOC. I'm going to Canada this Saturday. So Canadians, I'll see you there. It's going to be a fun time at TOC Supplies. And that's all I got this week on the Detail Co Garage. We'll see you on the next episode, everybody.